Hi everyone! Today I'm going to show you 3 useful tips to use in Unreal Engine. Ready? Let's start. Here, if you click on any object or character and you move it, your object is moving alone. However, if you hold down the Shift key and move your object, as you can see, the camera following the object movement and the background is moving too. And now if we want to add the same object on our own level, this tip will be very useful. Hold down the Alt key and you will duplicate your object. This is the fastest way to duplicate any object on your level. And the last tip is to group any object to one object. Select all your objects in first. Then, click on Convert Actor to Static Mesh. Rename your new group object and select a location to save the new file. We will rename in UNCR Test. As you can see, our new group object has been created. And now you can add your object in your level, and if you want to duplicate it, use the previous tip in this video. Everything works perfectly, and this concludes the tutorial. If you liked this video, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel to don't miss our next videos. Bye!